Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max leather case. And I want to just take a moment to thank my subscribers. I just hit 800 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I'm thrilled about it. So if you end up liking the video, it'd really help out if you give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. So let's get started with the unboxing. All right, so here's the iPhone 13 Pro Max leather case. Last year I had a silicone case and I liked it. I liked the way it felt, but I feel like it kind of fell apart prematurely. In fact, the first one that they sent, I had to have replaced because it started cracking like within the first couple weeks of usage. So this year I decided to go with leather. They're $10 more than the silicone case. This was $59.99 plus tax. The silicone case was $49.99 plus tax, or I'm close on the price, but so this was about $10 more than the regular silicone case. So I'm excited to try it out. So let's open it and see what it looks like, and I'll tell you guys what it feels like. All right, so the case just pops out really easily. You just got to put a little pressure on the pull tab, and let's pull it out. So we'll get to the case in a minute. Let's see what comes with it. You get a device, a little bit of device guidance here, some general like user information, I guess. And there's not much else to it. Just a little instructions here on how to put the phone in the actual case. And then a little note here that says the case is made with high quality, supple leather to protect your iPhone. And then there's some other things in there, but yeah. All right, so here's the case itself. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting, for it being leather, I was expecting it to feel a little softer than it does. Inside, the material that protects the phone is nice and soft. It is MagSafe compatible, so you can take your MagSafe compatible accessories like the charger or the battery packs that snap onto the back. You get the Apple logo on the back, and then the front part is leather. But yeah, it has a smooth and somewhat soft feel to it, but it also is pretty firm. It doesn't have, I mean, it's got some flex, but not a ton. And then you have your power button, volume button, and space for the mute switch. So that's the Apple leather case. This color is cherry black. There's a bunch of other colors available on Apple's website. I just like the way this one looked when I put my the sample image of the phone in it. So make sure to definitely make sure to click subscribe to the channel on the bottom, because later this week I'm getting my iPhone 13 Pro Max delivered. I got the Sierra blue color in 256 gig. So if you want to see that video, make sure to click subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss it. And definitely give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.